In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get Dior promo code. So let's get started. So Dior is a very popular makeup brand, and let's say you're purchasing something and you're looking for a discount. Well, you've come to the right place. So you'll have to go to your web browser and search up Dior promo code. So once that is done, you're gonna go over to this website, Los Angeles Times. So I'm gonna click on it. Alright, so once you're here, you're gonna see many options. So let's say the first one says Dior promo code 10% off with sign up. So I'm gonna click view coupon. So as it says, this code will be sent by email. So let's say once you sign up with your email on Dior, the website, it's gonna send you an automatic email with a code which is gonna give you a 10% off discount. So you can always use that and get a 10% discount and save a lot of money. Then you can also see all these other offers and coupons. And I'm gonna head to some other website and show you a few more. I'm gonna go back. Okay, so this is another website, wethrift.com. I'm gonna click on this. Okay, so the first one says 75% off coupon code. So I'm gonna click show code, and that's the code Linda10. But as you guys can see, the success rate is 69%, so it might not work for you, or it might work. So, but it's not guaranteed, so you can always give it a try. Then there are many other codes. So for example, free red bag and a perfume with orders above $175. You can copy the code and give it a try as well, but the success rate is low, so it might not work. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helps you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.